This is Jyotish, the light that reveals the self. The sacred meaning of Jyotish equals Jyoti plus Ish. The very word Jyotish is formed from two roots, Jyoti meaning light, illumination, radiance, and Ish meaning the divine Lord, the governing intelligence of the universe. When joined together, Jyotish means the light of the divine, the illumination through which Ish is known. It is not only the light we see in the heavens, but the light of awareness within us that makes seeing possible. The Rishis taught that the same light which shines from Surya is the light of consciousness shining in the heart.